1. Continuous cooling and frost buildup. If the door is left open too long, the cooler keeps running non-stop and freezes up inside. Solution: shut the door immediately. Unplug, wait 6 hours for ice to melt, wipe water, restart. 2. No, cold air. Likely one of these. Dead control board, black screen, unresponsive buttons. Refrigerant leak, hissing sound, never bend ceiling tube. Dead compressor, no vibration at bottom. Solution: contact the staff for repair or replacement. 3. Weird screen messages. 88, display board failure E1, E4, temp sensor error. H, high temperature warning, L, low temperature warning. 72, 70ths, current temperature of the machine. Solution: 88, unplug 10 minutes, restart, still broken. Replace display. HH, shut door, move away from heaters. LL, press plus to raise above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. E1, E4, contact the staff for repair. 4, lights out. Try this first. Solution: plugged in, test another outlet. Hold light button 3 seconds. Flashlight check, black spots on light panel, it's burned.